In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Chime using Wise, Payoneer, or other accounts. The main idea here is simple. In most cases, you're moving money from an external account into Chime using an ACH bank transfer. That means the process usually depends on whether the external service gives you US bank details and whether Chime allows that account to be linked. Let's start with Wise. To add money to Chime from Wise, open the Chime app first. From there, go to Move Money, then choose Add Money or External Bank Transfer, depending on what you see in your version of the app. If Chime gives you the option to link an external bank account, enter your Wise US dollar routing number and account number. Make sure you enter the details carefully, since even a small typo can delay the transfer. If Chime asks you to verify the account, complete that verification before moving on. Once that's done, open Wise and go to your US dollar balance. Choose Send, then select your Chime account as the recipient. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm it. Then all you need to do is wait for the ACH transfer to arrive in Chime. Keep in mind that Wise can provide US account details for domestic ACH payments, but availability can depend on your account type and region. Now let's talk about Payoneer. This option can be a little more complicated because Payoneer may have eligibility requirements for the bank account you're sending funds to. Start by opening Chime and locating your account and routing details. Then in Payoneer, go to Settings, then Bank Accounts, and select Add Bank Account. Enter your Chime bank details if Payoneer accepts them. One very important thing here is that the account holder information should match your Payoneer account information, especially for individual accounts. After the bank account is approved, go to Withdraw and Transfer, then choose Withdraw to Bank. Select your Chime account, enter the amount, review any fees and the exchange rate if one applies, and then confirm the withdrawal. For other accounts, the general method is the same: external account to ACH, transfer to Chime. If another financial service gives you US ACH routing and account numbers, check two things before you begin. First, confirm that Chime supports linking that account. Second, make sure the other service allows transfers to Chime. If both sides support the connection, the transfer process should be fairly straightforward. That's how to add money to Chime using Wise, Payoneer, or similar accounts.